the 55-inch TV, the shop fan, the Stanley shop fan, and the shredder. That way you can get rid of all the evidence.
There we have it. And don't forget.
People watch us, right?
Okay, it's that time. Let's get ready to raffle.
Yeah, come on. We gotta egg him on. Come on.
Somebody's gonna do that at my funeral, you know that. Okay, here we go. The choice of the table, except for those 3 items. White tickets. 629-328. 629-328. We'll double check this one.
Oh yeah. See, it's a good thing you came, huh? Yeah, get the pick at the table.
Our next winner, white ticket, 628-662. 628-662.
Goes his coffee maker.
I donate to the AA meeting.
Oh wow, huh? That's a lucky
We'll
section
double
right
check
there.
it.
Yeah.
Our next winner, white ticket, 629-333.
That's a popular choice this time of year.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this. Almost back to back. It must be the yellow. Wow.
Our next winner, white ticket, 630-148. 630-148.
Ah. See, and the streak continues. Let's see. What do you think she's gonna pick? I'm gonna go with the cooler. I think she's gonna pick the cooler.
Our next winner, white ticket, 628-381. 628-381.
I was right. I said I bet she picks the cooler. And you did.
Yeah, I got this from my husband because he's been wanting this.
Oh, yeah.
Our next winner, white ticket, 628-936. 628-936.
I think it's coming out of the back.
Wait a minute. He won once one other time. One on Tuesday. Is that fair to win twice in 1 week?
Yeah. You win twice in one day. Sometimes 3 times.
Our next winner, white ticket, 629
Knew exactly what he wanted.
067. 629 067.
Sky color up.
629 067 going once.
Yep.
Must be that lucky shirt, man.
Either fire extinguisher or the towels.
Fire extinguisher or the microfiber towel?
Our next winner for the ever popular fire
Got enough towels
extinguisher,
on.
white ticket 629 725. 629 725.
Wow. Coming out of the back row.
For the shredder, white ticket 629 074.
Oh. He's even got a faster step.
The shredder's kind of heavy.
Is it?
The shredder's kind of heavy, so I want to see it there.
Thank you.
629 074. 73.
Yeah, but they passed on
For the shop fan, for the Stanley shop fan, white ticket 628 184. 628 184.
I go, uh-oh.
You're gonna help me, huh?
No, one.
The fan right there.
Fan right there. You'll have a cooler summer now.
Thank you, thank you.
For the 55-inch TV, ticket number 629-190. 629-190.
Wow, it's Chet. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah,
I think it has to fit in the
Gotta
car
be that
too.
lucky shirt.
just got it.
Chet will draw the first driver's ticket with
Chet
$100.
wins the TV on Dano Vision, Dano Live, Elks Classic Car Show, hosted by Gary Brown, the OC Car Guy.